Collmer, and I help business owners and salespeople fill their pipeline full of more pre-qualified, warm appointments. And one way that we do this is through effective business networking and proactive referral systems. And today I have two guests with me. This is Matthew Bowl of Appraisal Alliance, and this is Leslie Ellis of Pleasant Hill Living. And they just recently attended my referral boot camp. And one of the things that we work on is how to better network. Have you ever been to a networking event and you walked in the room and you might have had some butterflies and you weren't really sure how to approach people, and some people looked very closed off. Maybe it felt very cliquey in the room. Maybe it felt very daunting to try and break into that group. Or maybe there were certain people who looked very open and inviting. Well, just the way that you stand in a networking environment can actually turn people off or turn people on. So what I share with my clients is we talk about open 2s and 3s. This allows us to create that open feeling, that inviting feeling, so we can invite more people to network with us. So I'm going to first demonstrate the wrong way. Okay, so if Leslie and I are talking and we're shoulder to shoulder, this looks like a private conversation. We call this a closed 2. And poor Matthew here feels like an outsider and not included, right? So we just turn just a little bit. We can still have a great conversation, but we have this openness. Now we can invite Matthew to join us.
Hello.
Come on in.
Hello, how are you?
Now if Matthew closes it, so now we're in a triangle. Now we're a closed 3, right? But we want to open this up, so now we're in an open 3, so we can invite the next person in. So if you're standing closed, your networking is going to feel closed off. If you're standing open, it's going to feel way more warm and inviting, and be conscious of it so you can invite that next person in and grow your network and grow your relationships. Since I've got Matthew and Leslie here, I'm going to ask them to share just a little bit about what they gained from being at the Referral Boot Camp and any insight and things that they want to share with you. So I'll ask Leslie to go first.
Well, I have been in sales for well over 30 years, and I never really understood. I mean, I understood the concept of referral marketing, but I've never really done it. And from Maile's class, I actually learned how to build a referral network, and it was absolutely invaluable.
Thank you. And Matthew?
So I am new to networking. This is all new to me, so I took Maile's class, which is a fantastic class. The open 2s and 3s to me was an eye-opener, something I'd never thought of before, and I've been utilizing it in trying to network and build my business. And the overall knowledge that Maile has, it's just fascinating. It's absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Leslie. We invite you to attend the next Referral Boot Camp and continue to get the tips and tricks.
There are some tricks.
So you don't trip and be able to have a great time networking, build some great relationships, build a great business, and enjoy your business and your life together. I'm Maile Collmer. You can reach me on my website, contracosta.asentiv.com, and I look forward to seeing you on another Facebook Live soon.